Hey there. Welcome to our channel, Savvy Shoppers. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate socket set that delivers quality, durability, and unbeatable value, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best socket set on the market that's not just a tool, but an essential companion for every DIY enthusiast and professional mechanic alike. Ready to elevate your toolbox? We'll explore what sets this socket set apart, showcasing its robust design and versatility for every project, big or small. Plus, stick around for our exclusive tips on how to get the best deals. So whether you're tightening bolts or taking on a full-scale renovation, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Feel free to adjust any parts to better fit your style. Number 5. GEARWRENCH 85-piece 3/8 DriveMaster SAE socket set and foam storage tray. GWMSSKT38 SAE delivers exceptional versatility and precision, making it a top choice for the best socket set category. Designed to handle demanding tasks, this set features both 6-point and 12-point sockets in standard and deep configurations, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of fasteners. The innovative off-corner loading design minimizes fastener rounding, providing a secure grip while prolonging the life of bolts and nuts. Its chamfered openings allow fasteners to slide in effortlessly, improving speed and efficiency during use. The serration depth within each socket is engineered to hold fasteners securely, ensuring optimal alignment for smooth operations. Hard-stamped size markings on every socket make identification quick and effortless, saving time in busy work environments. Neatly arranged in a durable foam storage tray, this set ensures convenient organization and protection of your tools. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this comprehensive GEARWRENCH socket set delivers reliability, ease of use, and superior performance for a wide range of automotive and mechanical applications. Number 4. Sunex 80-piece 3/8" DriveMaster Impact socket set offers exceptional performance and durability, making it a top choice for the best socket set. Crafted from high-strength CRMO steel, this set ensures the flexibility and resilience needed to handle high-torque impact tools effortlessly. Its innovative radius corner design enhances torque transfer while reducing wear on fasteners by focusing force on their walls rather than corners. The chamfered openings allow for quick and accurate fastener alignment, streamlining your tasks. Dual size markings, laser-etched and roll-stamped, ensure permanent and easy socket identification. With 80 pieces, including both SAE 5/16" 3/4 and metric 8mm to 19mm sizes, this is one of the most comprehensive 3/8 drive sets available. The heavy-duty storage case makes transportation and organization simple, keeping your tools secure and accessible. This set also features a full complement of extensions for reaching recessed fasteners and a universal joint for swivel applications, making it incredibly versatile. Tested to meet ANSI standards, it guarantees peak performance and long-lasting reliability. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this set is engineered to tackle any job with precision and strength. Number 3. NEIKO 02471A Impact Socket Set is a masterful toolkit that every professional and DIY enthusiast will admire. Built with heavy-duty chrome vanadium, CRV, and chrome molybdenum, CRMO, this 67-piece set is engineered for extreme durability and can handle the intense torque of impact wrenches effortlessly. The sockets are drop-forged and heat-treated for ultimate strength, while the black phosphate coating ensures long-lasting protection against corrosion. Featuring a 6-point hex design, the sockets minimize the risk of rounding off bolts, even under high torque. With high-contrast laser-etched size markings, you'll never waste time searching for the right socket. This versatile set includes shallow and deep sockets in both metric and SAE sizes, swivel sockets for tight spaces, a low-profile 72-tooth ratchet, and extension bars in varying lengths. Additionally, the included adapters and universal joint expand its compatibility with power tools, making it a complete solution for automotive, mechanical, and household applications. Perfectly organized, this kit stands out as one of the best socket sets for precision, reliability, and efficiency in any workshop or garage. Number 2. Amazon Basics Mechanics 201-piece tool socket set with case. SAE/Metric is an all-in-one solution for tackling a variety of repair and maintenance tasks. This comprehensive set includes the most popular 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive sockets, along with hex keys and screwdriver bits, all available in both metric and SAE sizes. This ensures that no matter what fastener you're working with, you'll have the right tool for the job. Built with chrome vanadium steel, the sockets are designed to withstand heavy use, providing exceptional torque and strength. The full polished chrome finish not only enhances the durability of the set, but also provides anti-corrosion protection to keep your tools looking great over time. The included case makes organization a breeze, and its portability means you can take your tools wherever you need them. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the Amazon Basics 201-piece tool socket set is a must-have for ensuring you're fully equipped to handle any project that comes your way. This socket set is perfect for those looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile set that will meet all your needs. Number 1. DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set, 168-piece, stands out as a premium choice for the best socket set, offering a combination of precision, durability, and convenience. Engineered with direct torque technology, the sockets ensure a secure fit and help prevent rounding of fasteners, making it ideal for both professional and DIY tasks. The 72-tooth count ratchets feature a 5-degree arc swing, allowing effortless operation even in tight spaces. Designed for extended use, the anti-slip driver handle maximizes comfort, while the full polished chrome finish provides superior corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance on tough job sites. The tools are housed in a durable case with metal latches, protecting the set under rugged conditions. Quick and easy identification is enabled by the hand-stamped markings, saving time and effort on every project. This comprehensive kit includes 3 pair head ratchets, a variety of sockets in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch sizes, spark plug sockets, net driver bits, combination wrenches, specialty tools, hex keys, and bits, 168 pieces in total, offering unmatched versatility for any mechanic or home enthusiast. Conclusion: finding the right socket set can make all the difference in tackling your projects with ease and efficiency. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools ensures precision and durability for every job. We hope this guide has helped you narrow down the best options to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates. Your support keeps us bringing you the best recommendations. See you in the next video.